What's the meaning of cowboys and Indians? Cowboys and Indians. Cowboys and Indians.
Cowboys and Indians. Cowboys and Indians. Cowboys and Indians is a children's game that involves pretending to be either cowboys, who represent the white settlers of the American West, or Native Americans, who are often portrayed as the enemy. The game often reinforces stereotypes and inaccuracies about Native Americans and their history and perpetuates a one-dimensional narrative of American history. As such, some indigenous peoples find the game culturally insensitive and offensive. It is important to encourage children to learn about and appreciate diverse cultures in a respectful and accurate way.